Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna make my favorite type of meal, which is one pot meal, so I'm gonna make beef stew. I am Paula Romero and I'm gonna share with you simple ways to cook good food. A traditional stew is made with beef chuck, potatoes, carrots, and cooked slowly for a long time. But if you are short in time, beef tenderloin takes much less time to prepare when compared to the traditional version, and it delivers the same good flavors. Let's get started. We're gonna start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Then we're gonna add the meat. Add some salt and a little bit of black pepper. And we're gonna sear the meat for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Remove the meat from the pan and we're gonna set them aside. Add the remaining oil to the pan. More. And add onions, carrots, and celery. Also, add the potatoes. And to the veggies, we're gonna add our seasonings. I'm adding some cumin and smoked paprika, which is, the paprika is optional. I love paprika, so I'm gonna add it. Also, some garlic paste and tomato paste, about a tablespoon or so. I'm gonna mix this all, give a nice stir so all the veggies get well coated with the seasonings and the tomato paste. And if you see this brown here at the bottom of the pan, this is a good thing. There's lots of flavor to our stew. Next, add some tomatoes to the pot. You can add fresh tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, whatever you have handy on that day. Next, we're gonna return the meat to the pot with any juices that they might have accumulated in the container here. And also some beef broth. We're gonna reduce the heat to a gentle boil. I'm gonna add some bay leaves. And as soon as it comes to a gentle boil, we're gonna reduce the heat to low and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the veggies are tender. While the stew was cooking, I added something on top of the sauce, on top of the stew. I like eggplant very much, but I'm the only one who likes eggplant in my house. So this is a tip for you if you're in the same situation as I am right now. Being the only one liking eggplant in your house, you can cut them in big pieces like this, and you put them right on top. They're gonna absorb all of this sauce and they're gonna be delicious, which you can then take them aside once they're cooked. They take about 10 minutes or so to cook, and they're not completely soggy, but they're full of flavor with this delicious sauce from the stew. Once they're done, you just remove them, so your family will not complain. They won't even notice that there was some eggplant in here. Ha! Let's check the veggies. It's been 25 minutes. Oh yeah, see, the potatoes are tender. The carrots are tender, but they are not falling apart. That's what I want. Celery, also tender. Beef, tender. Okay, they're almost done. Next, we add the peas. Oops. Apparently, they're still frozen, but that's okay. Just heat them through and adjust the seasonings with more salt if needed. Cook for 5 more minutes and it's done. Crazy flavorful dish. The beef's tender, the veggies are tender but not falling apart. Nice sauce. At the end, I forgot to give you this tip. At the end of the cooking process, if it's too liquid, slowly stir in cornstarch dissolved in water until you achieve the desired thickness. I like this way. I don't need any thicker than that, so I'm happy. And I'm gonna pour some of this. I'm gonna serve myself with some of this amazing stew right now. Let me pull this here on the side a little. And also I'm gonna add some of my eggplants that I cooked on top of the stew, that I saved it just for myself, so I don't have to hear anybody, oh, I don't like eggplant, oh, my stew. So it's just for me. So what else can I ask for? Good carbs from the veggies, nice protein with a lean cut of meat. The sauce is amazing. Let me try. The sweetness of the peas, perfect. And most of all, one pot to clean up. Yay! So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I have nothing else to ask for on a dish like this, but I can ask you, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. It means a lot when you do. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye!